So in this video I'm going to introduce Git and just talk about what it is and how it came about, and in subsequent videos I will explain how to utilize it. So let's get into it. First thing you need to know is what a VCS is. So a VCS, that stands for Version Control System. It's just a system that maintains changes to a single file or group of files, allowing multiple useful options. These options include reverting to a previous version of the project, comparing changes across the versions, seeing who made the last change, so this incorporates group work, teamwork in development, and you can also recover damaged or deleted files. So the second thing we need to know is, what is a distributed version control system? So this type of VCS is one in which each client will have an entire copy of the project, so that if the server goes down, the project is not lost and can be copied onto a new server. So Git is an open source distributed version control system developed by Linus Torvalds and others in the open source community. Its design goals include speed, simplicity, reliability, and it is supportive of nonlinear development. So how does Git work? Git maintains a project's files in three ways. The first way is modified. Simply put, this is what a file is labeled as when changes are made to it. The second way is staged. This way means that if you have modified files and you're ready to commit them, they'll be put into this staging area. And the third way is committed. For each commit, Git keeps a picture of sorts of how every file in the project looks, making sure to leave out duplicates. So there are three main sections of Git: the Git directory, the working directory, and the staging area. I'll go through these one at a time. So the Git directory, this is the database. This is crucial to Git, as it is what it will be copied when your repo is cloned. So a repo is just your repository, and if somebody clones that, they're going into the Git directory and getting a compressed version of your project. There's also the working directory. This is the decompressed version of the files from the database that you can modify. Thirdly, we have the staging area. This stores all of the information that is ready to be committed. And that is a very quick introduction to Git. In my next video, I'm going to go over the basic commands of Git and why you should use them.